Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. I know that many of you want to engrave on different types of metallic surfaces and you guys don't like to use special engraving paste and it's not very convenient and still you need to buy it. So we actually want to offer you today our new 4-watt infrared DPSS laser module. So this is the module we already installed on our CNC 3018 frame. So it's completely the same unit as you already know, but it's not 5 watt, it's only 4 watts average power. The parameters for impulse and repetition rate is something between 25 to 50 kilohertz. Pulse width is about something from 7 to 10 nanoseconds, and it's quite small energy pulses. So I want to show you how you may engrave on different metallic surfaces. So we have stainless steel, we have brass, we have copper, we have steel. It's not stainless, it's just steel. We have aluminum. We have another sort of steel. It's very probably similar to this one. We have piece of titanium. We have white PLA plastics, and we have leather. So let's see what we can do with our 4-watt infrared laser. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start with aluminum piece. So engraving speed is 1000 millimeters per minute and a 95% power. Okay, let's start. It's very interesting because on the camera you see absolutely different image to what you see with your naked eye. The problem is because the camera can see infrared better than your eye, but also do not forget to wear goggles all the time you operate the laser. So you see the result. Okay, yeah, it's not, you know, it's not so easy to show metal engraving. The thing is that it's very accurate engraving because less power for this particular laser model, the better beam quality is, and the laser beam spot is about 50 microns. We'll do measurements a bit later. So let's do titanium next. Okay, I don't like this. It's already been used. So you need to make sure you're in focus. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the same speed and the same power. The good thing about titanium that you can actually engrave and make different colors. It's called Yeti colors. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, okay, you can see I wrote the word impulse, so you can see it from this perspective. Okay, what we're gonna do next, let's do a piece of steel. Okay. Okay, let's rock. Really good. I mean, I'm quite impressed with the beam quality and accuracy. So let me show you closer. It's Endurance Impulse DPSS. Now I'll write 4-watt laser. Okay, the piece of steel. Yeah, this is stainless. Yeah, you can probably do it even faster. Some people like to do it with gal. I like actually plotter method because you can install on any frame. So this is done. Let's engrave on brass. I've been using these part a lot, So yeah, we're in focus, ready to start. Okay, ready. We use Lightburn software for these tests, and the latest GRBL is GRBL 1.1H. So as you can see, it does pretty well. It's very, very impressive. Now we're engraving on brass. Yeah, maybe I need to restart it and make it less. Yeah, I probably need to reduce speed a little bit. Let me do it. Okay, so now we're engraving on copper, yeah, and I decreased the speed, and I actually decided to change a little bit different. That one was too polished and it didn't work well. So yeah, I decreased the speed to 500 millimeters per minute. Okay, and let's engrave. Okay, you can see the word laser, so really good. Okay, now we're engraving on special PLA plastics. So yeah. Oh, I think I missed this. Yeah, that's my phone number, and if you want to reach me. So you see that it's engraving on PLA plastics. That's really good. So but keep in mind that it should be said that it's good for infrared neodymium YAG laser. Okay, is it ready? Oops. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I put it on my website, +7 916 225 my cell phone, endurancelasers.com, our website. And yeah, the last thing, engraving on wallet. I love crypto. Yeah, let me write I love crypto here. Okay, the speed is 1000 millimeters per minute and 60% power. So it's probably like 3. No, it's not like 2, maybe 2.5 watt power on there. So let's see. Yeah, probably you need to use air nozzle to make sure that probably air nozzle for such things is very practical. Okay, let's see what we got. I love crypto. I hope that you guys love crypto too, but don't be very aggressive on bitcoins. They're very hot now. So it's a good thing, by the way, but I'm not. Let me do zoom in. Yeah, looks good. So hope that you like this video. You already know my phone number. It's +7 916 225 You are welcome to visit our website, endurance-lasers.com, our online store, endurancelasers.com, our site with a lot of interesting information, and you're welcome to join our Facebook community, which is Endurance Lasers. We have a lot of interesting and dedicated people. So thanks for watching. Likes, subscribes are welcome. Have a great and wonderful experience with Endurance. Bye bye.